Okay guys, welcome back. And today, this is going to be a different kind of video. Today, I am going to make rainbow grilled cheese. That's right, rainbow. It's grilled cheese, but like multiple colors. All right, so here is what we're going to do. So we have this bowl with green food coloring, this bowl with red, this bowl with blue, this bowl with yellow. We have our Mexican style cheese. We have some Dave's Killer Bread, very healthy for you. Some butter, a knife, a fork, and a little work table here. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna microwave this bread just a little bit so that it's not completely cold.
Hey, that's pretty good.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so now we have some nice warm bread here for us to work with.
Wow, incredible!
The next step is we're gonna make 4 different piles of cheese, and each one will be a different color by using the food coloring. So I'll just open this up. I'm kind of having a hard time today, guys, because my thumb, I hit it in a baseball game, so it's like hurting. It wasn't even a baseball game, it was practice, RIP. So my thumb is like, it barely works. Alright, so pile 1, pile 2, okay, so now we'll just put this cheese off to the side. And we're gonna color up this cheese. So I got my green food coloring here. Just gonna put a decent amount of drops in here. All right. Okay, so we'll just put some drops right in there. Get our fork, our trusty fork, and we're gonna stir this up so it gets nice and green, because we all love green cheese, right guys? We can all agree on that. You'll have to see the green cheese. Alright, so we got 1 pile of green cheese. Let's move on to our red.
Wow.
Nice.
Okay, so now we have a little assortment of different colored cheeses. We got some bread. It's not warm anymore. Knife and butter. So the next step is putting the cheese on the bread. That's what we're gonna do now. So we have our green cheese. Let's just put that on here.
Disgusting!
Boop. Alright, then we're gonna want to push this so it's it has its own like segment of the slice, you know? It's gotta have its own little area so that it's really like a rainbow. Because, you know, rainbows are in stripes. It's not just a glob of different colors, right? Okay, so now that we've successfully made 1 piece of rainbow toast, we're just gonna throw this piece right on top like a sandwich, because it is a sandwich.
Bruh.
Then we have this butter. Take the cap off of there. Get our butter knife. It's not called a butter knife for no reason. We're just gonna spread some right here. This is a good amount of butter we're putting on here. I love butter. I don't know about you guys, but all right. So we got a bunch of butter on there. And now we're going to put it on a pan. We're gonna have it cook.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now that we have the actual sandwich, now we just need to grill it to truly make it a grilled cheese. So we have some canola oil here. So we're just going to spray and pray here onto the pan. So that makes it so the sandwich won't stick. Then I've got the sandwich. I'm just gonna put that on right there, upside down. Butter side on the pan. So the side that has the butter will be touching the pan. So now that that's on, I have my spatula. And I'm just gonna poke this around. And I'll do that for, I'd say, up to 7 minutes. That's maximum 6 or 7 minutes. And then I'll flip it over and move to the next side. Okay, so now while this is cooking, I'm getting my butter knife, putting some butter on there, and I'm gonna get the top of the sandwich so that that also has butter on it. I'm gonna lower the heat when I do that. Okay, so now that we've got that, we can resume.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Okay, so I'm gonna flip this over now. Sometimes I have some trouble flipping it over, so wish me luck here, guys. Oh my god! Absolutely perfect. Truly a masterful performance right here. It's textbook example of how you're supposed to flip a rainbow grilled cheese. And you'll see the butter makes it nice and crispy on there. And it keeps it from sticking to the pan. Okay, so I think it's been sitting here in the heat for long enough. So I'm going to transfer it to my plate here. Turn the heat off. Grab my sandwich. And just boom, right there. There we go. A rainbow grilled cheese. This is a thumbnail right here, so if you guys decide to make this, I hope you enjoy. Tastes just like a normal grilled cheese. Later. I'm gonna eat this.
Gross.